The next, this kanji had the meaning of, had the reading of onyomi. Onyomi is mean, it say be, my, metoru, and the kunyomi say kome. Some kanji have many sound in kunyomi. Kunyomi is the original Chinese sound because the kanji of Japanese language they take from Chinese own character, own letter. So they will use the original sound such as be, my, metoru. But in Japanese sound they say kunyomi. Kunyomi is in Japanese sound. Kome. This kanji have the meaning of rice or USA or matter. Rice, USA or matter. Now let's see some sample. Beka. Beka is mean rice price. You can see this word, you have the be is mean rice, right? But ka is mean, had the meaning of price or cost. So when you compile together, you can say rice price. Next, zaibe. Zaibe is mean being in the USA or being in the United States of America. For the word zaibe, be you have the meaning of USA, right? But zai is mean being in something, So when you use the word zaibe is mean being in the USA or you stay in the USA. Beikoku. Beikoku is mean United States of America, or we say USA or US. It mean North America. This kanji also had a meaning. Be is mean USA, right, or United States of America. But koku is had a meaning of country. Koku is mean kuni, right? Kuni is the meaning of country. So the country of USA. So they say Beikoku. So you can say this word had a meaning of USA. Next, hakumai. Hakumai is mean Polish rice. Semai is had the meaning of rice polishing or Polish rice. Kome is mean rice.